Welcome. My name is Sara Cavagnero and I am a PhD researcher on fashion and intellectual property with reference to sustainability. I am also an IP lawyer and I'm an expert in intellectual property law. My area of expertise is sustainability linked to the fashion industry. I will be your teacher for the module number 5 of the Master in Fashion Law. We will discuss together about sustainability in the fashion system. In particular, we will examine sustainability and its legal implication in the garment and footwear supply chain. We will examine together how sustainability is defined in legal terms. Who are the main characters that come into play as far as sustainability is concerned? And we will see that often the public framework is complemented by privately driven initiatives. Indeed, in several cases, brands have overcome the public sector given the lack of viable standards. We will examine the social legal framework. We will start from the status quo, the problems that we are facing within the industry, and see if solutions from a legal perspective are present. We will also put forward proposals for understanding how the legal framework in the coming years will look like and how public and private actors will interact. We will adopt a transdisciplinary approach, and each class will be enriched with examples and case histories. Given the complexity of the problems we're facing, sustainability indeed has been defined as a wicked problem where a lot of disciplines interact. We need solutions that cross counter sectors. We need experts from various fields putting their abilities and knowledge together, and we need a legal framework that is able to address the concerns that have emerged in market practices. Moving now to the topics, we will address as a main area the supply chain management, together with the use of new technologies, for instance, to grant traceability and transparency, as well as for improving the returns and avoiding return items to end up in landfills. We will examine the waste framework and how innovative materials can be obtained from waste or byproducts. We will examine innovations in raw material productions. We will see how patents can push the fashion industry to strive in sustainability terms and also be the basis for effective partnership between startups and established luxury business. We will also tackle cultural heritage and cultural appropriation. These two problems have emerged in a very wide extent in the later period. We will check where appropriation starts and inspiration ends. We will see how collections that embed features that belong to a certain community can be protected or not under the existing legal framework. Last but not least, we will explore trademarks and their link with greenwashing and green claims, provided that individual certification and collective marks are at the core of the fashion industry at the moment in order to signal sustainability. We will see how these IP assets are becoming both communication tools and sustainability communication assets, but at the same time also vehicles for greenwashing. If you want to find out more information about this module and the entire Fashion Law Master, I kindly invite you to visit Uninettuno's website and take a look at the course structure and in particular at the topics that we will address in this module. Thank you very much for your attention.